Hi guys, welcome to Maths Cube. Today we are attempting a pure mathematics of P1 of the new spec 2018. As you can see, this is a fresh paper which was set this year only, that's 11 Jan 2021. So let's get started. So just read the instructions below that's given and we'll be attempting our first question. So our question is, a curve has equation y equal to 2x cube minus 5x square minus 3 upon 2x plus 7 where x is greater than 0, and our a part states that find in the simplest form dy by dx. So what I'll do here is I'll just highlight this whole, and what I'll do as a first step, or sorry about my writing, but I'm writing on trackpad, so pardon me. So what I'll do is bring this form, this one, into a new form. So what I'll do is I'll rewrite the function, which is y equal to x cube minus 5x square minus 3 over 2x to the power minus 1 plus 7. Now why the x was below in the function, now x is above to the function, so the minus sign will appear here, and now I'll differentiate it. So dy by dx will be, so 3 into 2 will be 6x and the power minus 1, which will be 2. So 3 minus 1 is 2 minus 5 into 2, sorry. So this will be 10x, and then minus 1 into minus 3 upon 2 will give us a plus sign, 3 over 2x, and then minus the power, so minus 1 into minus 1 will give us minus 2, and a differential of a common number is 0, so we usually don't write it down. So that's our first part done. Now what I'll do is we'll cover our final part, which is, let me write it down, our P part. So the point P lies on the curve and has x coordinate half, and then they say find an equation of the normal to the curve at P, writing your answer in the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a, b, c are integers to be found. Okay, so we have to form an equation in this form, and that's our x coordinates. So what I prefer, or what I recommend to students is, why don't you just plug the x value in the normal equation, the equation that was given first, and then find the y value, so we can find the gradient and construct an equation. So what we will do is we will plug half into our original equation, which will be y equal to 3 when x is half. Now what you'll do, let me bring space here. Now what you'll do is we'll find the gradient. So guys, how to find the gradient when the differential is being shown? So what you do is plug the x coordinate into the differential. So we have to plug this here. So we have to plug this into this differential. So when you plug half into the differential, let me write it out, to differential, so we will get our gradient. So whenever a function is given, to find its gradient we should differentiate it and we'll get the gradient. So it's that easy. So we'll get our gradient, m is gradient, so our gradient will be, 5 over 2 when you plug half into the differential. That's our gradient. Now what? Now the question says that find an equation of the normal to the curve. They say that we have to find an equation of the normal. We have to find the normal. So what we can do is we have to change our differential first. We have to change our gradient and we have to flip it up. So to find the equation to the normal, we have to take our gradient and divide it by 1 and put a minus sign. So this will be minus 2 over 5. Now what? Now what you can do is you can use this formula, which is y minus y naught equal, that's our gradient, m bracket x minus x naught. So you can use this formula. So my y value was our y value was 3 that we found, and our m value is minus 2 upon 5. So minus 2 upon 5 into x is minus 2 upon 5x. First we'll bracket, and our x value was a half. Yeah, our x value, sorry, was half. Now we have to clean these brackets out. So y minus 3 equal to minus 2 over 5. So this will be minus 2 upon 5x, and then minus 2 upon 5 into minus a half will give us plus 1 upon 5. We need more space, so I'll go down a bit, and then what you can do, we have to clean these fractions out so that we can bring it as a whole fraction. So I'll just multiply minus 2 over 5 with 10 and minus 1 also. Just multiply all of this up with 10. So this will lead us to minus y minus 30 equal to minus 2 upon 5 into 10 is minus 4x plus 2. Now we will take this 30 and add to the both of the side to remove 30 and make y the subject. So this will be minus 4x. So 30 going that side will be a positive. So this will be plus 32. But that's not the end, guys. We have to bring in this form, ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So we have to bring it in that form. So what we can do is we can take 4x there to make it a positive one. So this will be 4x, that's positive going that side, plus y is positive already, and minus plus 32 to that side will be minus 32 equal to 0. And that's how you solve these gradient problems. I hope you liked the video. I hope you understood the method. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like these.